Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Milen and today we're doing an unboxing try on for this new pair of glasses I just bought. Plus, I'm going to tell you what shape is best for you and what color is best for you when buying glasses. So the brand firmoo reached out to me and wanted to see if I wanted to try one of their pairs of glasses. Considering I give fashion advice, it made sense. And I was so excited to do it because of a few reasons. Number one, this is a question I get asked all the time with my clients. After we've done their color analysis and figured out their body type, they'll say, well, what kind of glasses do I wear? I wear them every day. How can I incorporate it? It goes into your essences, all that jazz. And secondly, glasses for me have been just the bane of my existence for most of my life. So when I discovered my coloring, my face shape, all my body type and everything, glasses kind of became the best part. It's something that I really understand now and I embrace it, and I actually am not embarrassed to be wearing glasses. And what I actually discovered was I wasn't embarrassed that I was wearing glasses. I was embarrassed with the way I looked in the glasses I was buying because they were completely wrong color, wrong shape, wrong frame. Because glasses can change your look so drastically, so quickly, especially when we're talking about facial contrast. Some people really look sensational in thick, beautiful frames. Other people look good in those thinner frames. So you have to find where you fit there. Then glasses becomes a fun accessory, a way to express yourself. So first, let's get into unboxing my glasses. I haven't opened these up because I wanted it to be on camera, and I'm very excited about it. So here she is, came in a cute little travel box, which is great. I have already 3 pairs of glasses and I actually only wear 1 pair. So I decided to buy ones that are closer to that 1 pair that I love. And they've got a really thin frame. For myself, I've got a very thin face and a petite frame, body frame. So big, thick glasses don't make any sense on my face. I'm quite petite, so again, it's overwhelming. And I don't have any like quirky or gamine essence. I've got very natural essence. I've got classic essence and a little bit of ingenue. So I like daintier, smaller, and very not in your face kind of thing. So the website was great to browse through. I was able to pick the exact shape I wanted based on my face shape. I have a little bit of angularity in my face, but it's very oblong and have some kind of blunter, rounder edges to some features. So I didn't go super sharp, I went a little bit sharp, and from there I got to pick my perfect shape, which is sort of like an aviator shape or an almond, but with kind of a sharper edge to it. And then I picked my face shape. So I have a small face, so I went with small, and that narrowed down my options. I wasn't overwhelmed. Then I went through the colors. So I immediately excluded black because that's not gonna look good on me. I took out grays, they're a little too cool toned, and I kept everything that could be warm. My goal was to look for a brown, kind of a little bit of green olive frames because those are hard to find, and I found them. So I was really excited. I've got sort of gold and pink frames that I wear a lot. And so I wanted something similar, but in one of my colors. All right, so let's open it. And then it comes in a little pouch that says you can clean and you can travel with them. But obviously this would be better for protecting your glasses. I also got the addition of the blue light filter because I do a lot of editing, a lot of screen work when I work with clients, when I'm making shopping guides or style guides. So I really wanted to make sure that, you know, that was present. So first glance, these are beautiful. Now, they don't look like much, but I'm telling you, I love thin frames. They're not too imposing, and they've got, yeah, kind of a, I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of green in there. It's a little olive and brown mixed in. And then the gold is very soft gold, not super bright, which was my goal. And let's try them on. You may see the blue light glare thing, but that means it's working. But I love the shape on me. I think it's beautiful. So for these, I went for a little bit more of a blunt edge to it. I didn't want super square because I find that looks a little too far on the angular side, and I didn't want them rounded, but I didn't want them to be the exact shape I already have. I wanted something a little bit different, but still in the same family. And I love them. I think they are beautiful. They complement my coloring so well. They fit my essence. I love that kind of light academia type vibe, but with a bit of more natural infused in it. So overall, I'm very pleased with this purchase. The prices too, I was shocked. Yeah. Generally speaking, glasses can be so expensive, and that's kind of the deterrent for me when I want to go and buy new glasses. I'm like, it's not worth the money, because I already have some. But for this, it was a no-brainer. There's absolutely a budget for everyone here, easily. And today, I also have a 50% off code for you guys, so that'll all be down below, along with the link, so that you get an even bigger discount, even more affordable. How great is that? All right, let's talk about shape and how to pick the right shape for you. So like I was saying, if you have a lot of sharpness in your face, like high cheekbones, almost like sharp edges to your face, you're gonna look good in angular glasses. So that's really pointy edges to it, anything that has like an intense look to it. If your face is intense, the glasses should be intense. Same thing if you have really rounded features, you wanna go for a softer, rounded look. The more you match round with round and angular with angular or blunt and blunt, it sings. It fits, like it naturally looks good on you, and it looks like it's made for you. That's what you want to have with glasses. If your essences or your personality is very edgy, very quirky, then of course go something opposite, and in that case, that works. The second thing I would point out is consider your contrast levels, because if you have extremely high contrast and then you wear very light, clear, thin frames, you are doing a disservice to your contrast. That's not mimicking it. And what happens is the glasses kind of melt in, they're trying to find their place, and it won't honor the contrast that you have in your face. And if you have medium contrast, you can go for a slightly thicker frame to smaller frame, but I wouldn't go anything too chunky, too intense, because that's going to throw off that balance that you want to have. In other words, if you have medium to low contrast and you have a very thick frame, those frames are wearing you and you're not wearing the frame. It's going to overpower your entire look. And the opposite of that is if you have very high contrast and you go with something very low contrast, you're going to underwhelm your face. It's going to look boring. And then lastly, if you have very low contrast, then yeah, you want very thin frames, nothing too crazy. Something that's going to feel almost transparent on your face. The second part of contrast level is the color that you want to choose. So if you have high contrast, then you can go for those more intense colors depending on your subseason. If you are a very bright appearance with high contrast, definitely go to town. That's where you can put so much fun color near your face, which is gonna just sing with that brightness in your face. If you've got a more muted look and lower to medium contrast, make sure that that color that you're choosing is not so overpowering. You want it to be just as muted as your facial features, and pick a color that's matching your contrast level. And low contrast, if you've got low contrast but you can handle brightness, you go with a brighter color but thinner frame. If you've got low contrast but you've got a muted look, then you go for a very muted color in a small frame. All right, that's it for your introduction to glasses and your face shape, your coloring, your contrast. I might do more videos like this about glasses because it is such a fun accessory. Maybe I'll include it in an accessories video dedicated solely to all accessories and how to make them work. If you have any questions, concerns, anything, pop it down below. And if you're having troubles figuring out your body type, your coloring, your essence, whatever, I have all those services and more and all that information below. Don't forget to grab your 50% off deal. Link and the code is down in the description. I'll also put it in the comments for you to go shopping and find your perfect pair of glasses. All right, have a beautiful glasses-filled day.